Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? I hope you are doing good. Like me here, as you can see, you can witness the sunlight. A very good morning to you. Thank you for tuning in to this beautiful channel. My name is Gilberto Architecture Construction. As you can see me, yeah, this is another beautiful morning, and you can see what is going on here, so that you can see the a display of some equipment here. You can see the tank. This is a 5,000 liters plastic tank. We have a plan to put it on the top of the water tower there inside the house, so that you can see how developed country or developing people are doing their job here. If you wanna have or if you wanna build modern toilets and modern houses, so that you can have inside the toilet or flushing toilet, you'll need this display: plastic tank, water tower, water tank. Okay, all of those things you need them. So Gilbert Architecture Construction, I'm here to celebrate together with you. This is another beautiful morning, and you can see how we've started the day in style. As my major or the topic of this video is to show you how I'm progressing with transforming wires in culverts. You can see. And if you are crossing to this channel, your first time to cross this channel, warm welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep subscribing, keep monitoring Gilberto's videos, so that we can have next steps in YouTube live. And I want to ask you to watch my videos till the end, because you will push me in terms of reaching the watching hours. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are a returning subscriber, warm welcome. Very nice to see you again. So you can see how we can start a day in style with you. Okay, let me show you how we're progressing now. Where we are, you can see the display of culverts, skeletons. Yeah, and very interesting thing here, our step is to put other wire on the top of the first wire weld mesh, and other wire called coffee tray wire. Let me show you. Enjoy the show. This is the first skeleton of culvert. Remember guys, this a kind of culvert have a similar diameter, because as I did before you yesterday, I've measured the diameter, which is the cross of every culvert inside, or the middle of culvert. That is the diameter. Some of you know very well what is the meaning of diameter. You can see the difference between yesterday and today. So we've started the day in style. The wire connected to the first wire, so that you can see the difference. And after this, I'll show you what next. You can see. Let me show you how I connected this wire. After putting on this first wire, I have to do this to connect the first one and the second one. You can see this is a binding wire cutted concerning the measurement and You can see how I do. This is the connection, so that it can be unshakable. I have a plan to for its smearing. This is smearing stage. As you can see, this is how I do binding. Must be keen because it can harm me. Until it is strong. Until you make it strong, because we carry the mixture of cement, sand, and all smearing measures will be carried here. And my number, you can read it. My number is on my back. +25472943085. It's Gilberto's number, contact number, business number, WhatsApp number. Some of my clients are using this number to even to pay me, to transact money through this number, and everything is possible using this number. +25472943085 is for diaspora people. If you want to transact anything through this number, yeah, it is possible. The Australian guys done that, and the US guy done that as well. So they're all about transaction. If you want to support my channel in terms of maybe sending something like boosting my equipment, because I'm still using this phone to shoot a video, and yeah, it's doing good. This is how I do. So after binding this, I want to show you what is next. The following step is to do this. This is the end of Culvert, so that after smearing, it will be transformed in the form of base of Culvert. So you have to wear gloves, because this way can harm your hands. Yes, you can see. I have to be very keen dealing with this wire, because it's sharp. You have to drop your comment for more updates, because you want to see your idea in the comment section, and put on your ring bell for more updates from YouTube channel. If it is possible to you to share the videos, give out those videos to other people. It's a very interesting story. I appreciate so much. For your good heart, for your effort, you're showing me, and God will bless your effort. This is how I transform the initial form in second form. So after this, I turn it on the other side, upside down, upside down. You can repeat the similar style. The remaining job here is to smear this culvert. That is the remaining stage. Let me put it outside this so that we can start preparing other one. Preparation of other one on the next. So you have to create a way or space so that pedestrian can be difficult. Poa, habari vipi? So we have to create space for pedestrian. You take one by one and do what we are doing here. So you can see this is a good round, a circular. As I told you, must be circular and well binded, as you can see. So it's a huge, a bigger one, because the well is bigger too. So you can perceive in this interest. Let me show you how bigger it is. Yeah. Well formed and transformed. The remaining stage is to smear on the top of this wire. This is how we do. Thank you for watching. to be keen in terms of measuring this cover, wire cover. Don't mess. You don't like to mess any stage. This is how I measure the size of the particular circular. And after finding the measurement, I have to cut it. You have to be creative also, because sometimes you need to force something in a style. So this is the size, huh? So I cut at this point. So this is how I cut it. I'm using the right tool to cut this wire. This is the right one. Starting point. This is the starting point. In terms of putting that coffee tray wire. Good. Another way, or another term, we can say this is a setting line. This is a setting line, as you can see. So from wherever you are watching my videos, don't panic about your, maybe the problems, a certain problem can raise at your home. Try to contact me, give birth to a teacher construction. I'm fully enough equipped in terms of having good advice, good instruction, so that you can instruct each other. And finally, you can decide what you have to do. So this is the style, how to make it straight on Culvert skeleton. You can see. You can see. This is how I tighten the coffee tray wire on the weld mesh or wire mesh. Tight. I'm tightening here. Well tight. You have to wear the right clothes, like overall, because wire can harm your skin. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. if you've enjoyed my video, please kindly you can consider subscribing. Okay, well titled, and share my videos to other people. Maybe you can think about them or their need. They can need Gilberto's job, so that we can serve each other. So after that, I enter inside the Culvert skeleton to reinforce more reinforcement. So what I need to do is to connect this stage using these pieces of binding wire. Yeah, as I said, this kind of videos of Gilberto's video are informative, are educative, and entertaining people who are watching my videos. So can be educated, can be entertained, and informed, by the way. These are the basic needs for every human being. In every home you need water. In every home you need a well. In every home you need water tower. In every home you need a flushing toilet if you build modern houses. So you need a modern toilet. That's why I can advise you to have a modern toilet known as biodigestor septic tank. I'm the right guy to build them. As you can explore my channel, you'll see more information about all jobs I've started. Don't worry about the amount of money you need to have, because we have a word outside that bargaining power. You have it. That's why you need to consult Gilberto for more information, for more advice, for more instruction, for more education, by the way. That's why sometimes some of you call me as a teacher. Yeah, I can teach you how to do or how to construct something and transform it in good form. That's why sometimes I agree with you that I'm a teacher, and it's a matter of time. One time I'll start with the information about masterclass. Yeah, masterclass. Yeah, masterclass. If you wanna support me through this beautiful channel, so that I can have a masterclass, I can have some subjective concerning having good equipment or modern equipment, I really appreciate and warm welcome. And God will reward you from your good heart. You will show Gilberto. If you show me love, God will use other guy to show you love. What you have to know is God is able to help anybody using anybody. So we need each other to progress in this life. Thank you, my good sister Rashon from Miami, Florida, for doing smart about my YouTube channel. My regard to brothers and sisters there. Thank you, Martha from United States of America, for keep updating others about Gilberto's job. Thank you. So I have a plan to start technical jobs at Martha's home. Thank you, Martha, for good promise. It's a matter of time. Time will tell. Yes, yes. The world can see Gilberto now. Thank you, Bonifacio from Philippines. And special thanks to you, Hanson from United States of America, who gave me a job offer. From there to Greene County, Kissy County. I've already finished the first assignment. May God bless your efforts together with your family. My regard to them. Thank you so much for showing me love. Special thanks to you, Brother Hanson from United States of America. This is a creative man, Gilberto, Architecture Construction. My PayPal is active. You can use it. gilbertingender@gmail.com. Yeah, it's my contact number. +254 729 430 That is my business number, my M-Pesa number, and my contact number. You can use it. Gilbert Ingenda. Gilbert plus Y Ingenda is INJENDA @gmail.com. If you can use my PayPal is very active. My number is very active through our services concerning the transactions. Yeah, I still need you. So this is how I do. So after doing this, we need to connect using the pliers or pliers. This is how I do. This is the first line. You have to connect one by one using pliers so that it can be strong and strongest culverts. Remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to watch my videos till the end for supporting my watching hours. I really appreciate so much for good steps you are doing for my channel. Okay. Okay, I still reinforce it. So here we can rest. Again, then. And we have together with us here, we have a good guy. I cannot mention his name, but he can introduce himself to you, the world community. That is the guy, the good plumber. How are you guys?
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Yes,
How are you
Agape
too?
Plumbers.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell us about yourself. What's your name?
My name is Evans Akumba. That's Agape Plumbers.
Agape Plumbers.
Yes.
Have you seen in some videos Agape Plumbers appearing in my videos together?
Gilberto.
Gilberto, architecture construction with Agape Plumbers. We are
Now
celebrating with
we are setting gutters
setting gutters. Okay.
and installing tank.
Installing tank after all. Thank you so much. He's climbing there to do what he need to set. Okay, that's the starting point of setting, as you can see. Yes, using modern item. This is a modern machine, a drill machine. Okay, in an easier way we can celebrate together with any people on here. So if you wanna have a good quality of jobs like you are seeing here, we are able to serve people like you. Don't mess to give us a job offer from wherever you're watching about.